My wonderful learners, you are welcome to today's class. Today we want to consider the properties of angles. The first property that we are going to consider today is vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So, considering this diagram here, A is equals to B and C is equals to D because they are vertically opposite. And likewise, alternate angles are equal. So therefore, A is equals to B here and C is equals to D. Corresponding angles are equal as well. Therefore, A is equals to B. Take note, there is no between alternate angle and corresponding angle. Then the fourth one, angles on a straight line add up to 180. So therefore, we are going to have A plus B to be equals to 180 degree. The fifth one, angles around a point add up to 360. This is the point. So the sum of these angles, A plus B plus C plus D, is equals to 360 degree. And angles in a triangle, they are added up to 180 degrees. So therefore, A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degree. Then the last but not the least, co-interior angles, they are added up to 180 degrees. So therefore, S plus Y is equals to 180 and P plus Q is equals to 180. If you are yet to subscribe, ensure you do that right now. See you next time. Thank you.